Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making 2 slimes today, and we're making 10 videos. Okay, Eli, come here. Eli, come here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to add in our glue. Alright, Eli, add in the glue. So we've got it all mixed in. I added a pink to mine. And I just added a pink to mine. Eli, stop. I added a pink to mine. Eli! I just spit it all over the floor. So, yeah. Now we're going to add the shaving cream.
And mine needs toe between.
And yeah, I decided to add my clear pink because I want my slime to be pink. And so now we're adding activator, and we'll get to you after we've activated our slimes.
Oh, there we go.
Hey,
That was juicy.
hey,
Alright,
Dad.
Eli, come here. Come hold yours. Eli can show his first.
Talk to the viewers, yeah. I'll be like, what's up?
Okay, so here's my slime. It's like it was with a white base, and then a tin of pink and a tin of blue. And so for Eli's, his is just in the beginning, just a white base with the color glue.
Yeah, color glue.
And he added. It took so long to activate these.
Yeah.
I added almost like half the bottle, and yeah, it was pretty bad. And I had to do his for him because his didn't work. So, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video.
What is this video?
Hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.